Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today with another video. We're going to be on the charts on TradingView. We're going to be recapping a trade I took and going over a bit more about how I trade and my style. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, this is a trade recap on GBP JPY. I like to call it GJ, just how it is, I guess. I also trade gold, so I usually just trade these two pairs, GBP JPY and XAU USD. I believe as a beginner trader, and it's probably the best route to go, just master one pair, two pairs, and then once you're profitable, then you can go around and do what you want, go trade a bunch of other pairs. But for me, it's nice to just stick to one pair. So this is GJ that we're on right now. We're going to go to the 1 hour time frame, and we need to find, first of all for the day, a daily bias. Now I took this trade a while ago, I think it was like 4 days ago or something, but I figured why not we recap. It's the weekend right now, it's Sunday, so hopefully get this video out to you guys and we will be up and running by the week. So we're going to start by finding a daily bias. Now on the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame is what I use to find my daily bias, since I'm an intraday trader / day trader, whatever you want to call it. And I start off by marking out any reasonable like fair value gaps or order blocks or things that could come in use on a lower time frame, and I do this on the 1 hour. For example, on this trade we had a fair value gap just here I marked out. This happens a lot, by the way, on all these time frames. It's very simple, just find a fair value gap like this one just here, you just mark it out just like that. Then we wait for price to come into this range, get orders to get filled, push to the upside. But we obviously need confluences, entry signals, and all these other bits and pieces. So let's go over that right now. So let's say on the 4 hour chart, our bias here, we're in an uptrend, high highs, higher lows. So we are pretty bullish. And in fact, on the 1 hour now, we know we're bullish. On the 1 hour, are we bullish? Yes, we're in an uptrend. So we come back down into this fair value gap, and if we go to the 5 minute now to find an entry signal, which was right here, so trade. We can see we come into this fair value gap zone, 1 hour fair value gap, and we get some orders filled, a bit of consolidation, and then we break structure just here. Now after this candle closed, I entered on here, and then we placed our stop loss at the previous lows, which is just here, priced our TP at liquidity, which is about here, in between these two. I think, to be honest, it's not the exact area, which leaves us with a 1 to 2.3 risk to reward, so that's pretty solid. I normally aim for at least 1 to 1.5, if not, I'm not taking the trade. 1 to 2 is usually what I like to stick to, and anything over that, I guess, is just a bonus. So this was a solid trade, and realistically, well, not realistically, but we could have rode this all the way up to like a 1 to 10 RR, so I think we should be happy though for 2 to 2.3, because there's still a decent risk reward, especially on these trades, which I find I've back-tested on FX replay for probably, I've got probably like 12 hours at least just on GJ off this strategy, which it's not much when it comes to trading, but it's enough for me to realize that the profitability on this is pretty high, and the win rate on here, I think it was like 78%, 78 or something. So that's really decent, and if you can get 78% win rate on a 2.3 risk reward trade, that's pretty impressive. But I'm gonna have to stick to it, win today. Markets will open Monday. Maybe I'll hit up YouTube with a trade recap, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Or we'll create a video. I don't know, we'll find out. But anyway, for now, thank you guys. Please check in the comments any video ideas you have, love to hear them. Please like this video if you found it was helpful or interesting, and please subscribe. We'll have a lot better content coming out, and follow my journey. So